how the evidence of this scripture will be correct. If I think like this, if this sort of ego enslaved jiva, they have this sort of ego. But our Gurudev Narottam Thakur, what he has said, we should carefully think about this. He is also our Gurudev. We belong to Narottam Parivar in the family of Narottam. Or Param Gurupad Bhakti Siddhar Saraswati Goswami Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to say, we belong to Narottam Parivar. Kirupa Paiva Seva Mui Durachar. Siguru Vaishnava Roti Nahila Amar. How I can get the service of Vishnu and Vaishnavas? How? And pure devotee is identical with bona fide Guru. How I can get the service of Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavan? Because I have got no regard for them. How? I always see that I am defectless, all are in defect. If you do not see Vaishnava, how we have got the aptitude to serve him? Those who are Mahabhagavat, Uttam Bhagavat, Madhyam Bhagavat, Kanishta Bhagavat, Mahabhagavat, what they see? They always see, they do not see mountains, or they do not see forest, or river. Wherever they see, there is the mountain is Govardhan. Forest, Vrindavan. The river, Yamuna. Sabar Jangam dekhe na dekhe tar murti. Sarvatra spure tar Ishtadeva murti. Mahabhagavat. He is seeing all are serving Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, my objects of worship. Directly and indirectly, they are all are serving. Even Hiranyakashipu is also serving. If there be no Hiranyakashipu, how we can know the glory of Prahlad? All are serving. I am the insignificant, abominable creature. I have got no quality. I am deprived. Always Vaishnava think like this. Viraj Goswami, what he has written? He has written at first, এই গ্রন্থ লেখায় মোরে মদন মোহন, আমার লিখন যেন সুখের পঠন. I am not writing. Madan Mohan is writing. Outside person they are saying I am writing. I am like a parrot. I am not writing. But he himself has said in Chaitanya Charitamrita, পুরুষের কীট হইতে মুই সে লঘিষ্ঠ, জগাই মাধাই হইতে মুই সে পাপিষ্ঠ, মোর নাম যেই লয় তার পুণ্যক্ষয়, মোর নাম যেই শুনে তার পাপ হয়, এহেন নির্গুণ্য মরে কেবা দয়া করে এক নিত্যানন্দ বিনু জগত সংসারে। প্রেমত্ব নিত্যানন্দ কৃপাবতার উত্তম অধম কিছু না করে বিচার, যে আগে পরে তে করে নিস্তার, অতি উদ্ধারিল মহেন দুরাচার। What is the meaning? Our Param Gurupad Bandha, he has said, if two books are here, two scriptural books, two scripture, Bhagavat and Chaitanya Charitamrita, the human beings in the world will not be deprived. They will get everything. But even Bhagavat disappeared and Chaitanya Charitamrita remains, then also human beings will not be deprived. They will get the highest objective.